So guys, it's me, Kai. I haven't done a video in a very, very long time. So I'll show you how to make a Nerf blaster out of Legos. So you're gonna need a few things, and it's gonna be a rifle, but it won't hurt. It's just gonna be an easy technique. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna need this kind of piece. It's me in real life right now, but you're gonna start with this piece to make your blaster. My dad is behind me, that's my cameraman. And yeah, so this is the first piece. Then the second piece to making it is you take a black or whatever kind of color you would like for this or this, and then you stick it inside the little thing right here for that. And then next step to doing this, I've already made it, you can see. That's what it's gonna turn out if you follow my instructions. We're gonna have to pause the video for a second because you're gonna need one more part, but if you want to keep it like that, you can move on. It's very easy. You just need to take this piece then, stick it on, and then like this, fill it in with these kinds of blocks. But for today, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to show you guys how to make this kind of thing because I don't get it. So guys, I'm going to be back in a few minutes once I find the part. Okay, so guys, I found a part that we can use, a little too big, but we can use it. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. It's almost complete. All you get is this, and then you need to find a piece like this. You can pause the video if you want. If I'm going too fast, then you put it. Or if you're finding the parts right now, you can pause the video. And then next piece, you need this kind of piece, whatever color, doesn't matter. You put it on to lock it in. You just gotta make sure it's in correct. And then this is what it should look like. Then you take these two pieces and then you put them on the gun. So I'm gonna quickly do that. Guys, there might be some editing, I don't know. But you just gotta put this and this. So this is what it looks like so far. And then this is what it should turn out. Then you're gonna need this brown piece. Pause the video, whatever you would like to. And then find whatever piece you would like. And then you just gotta then it fires. I hope you liked this video on how to make your own kind of Nerf blaster Lego Nerf rifle. And I hope you enjoy it if you like it. That's my video. And make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and click the bell button. Bye.